Are we having a little giggle fit? Are we just giggling? Are we just having a little giggle fit now? Are you laughing at Daddy? Are you laughing at Dad? Oh, so that's what else you can do, huh? Yeah, you can also scream. Funny boy.